Indian economic updates. Indian Railways is considering launching the Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train corridor with Make in India trains by 2030, as delays persist in procuring Japanese Shinkansen trains. Indigenously built bullet trains by Bharat Earth Movers Limited, with a top speed of 280 km per hour, will operate until 2033, when Japanese E10 Shinkansen trains are expected to be introduced. The European train control system will be installed initially, with the Japanese digital communication and control for Shinkansen automatic train control system added later. The project, initially estimated at 1.08 lakh rupees crore in 2016, now exceeds 1.60 lakh rupees crore. Railways plan to run 70 daily services, including express and all-stop options. The corridor will feature 12 stations and 3 depots, with trial runs expected on a 50 km Bilimora-Surat stretch soon. Indian Railways is transforming into a future-ready organization, delivering faster, safer, and world-class travel at nominal costs to billions of Indians. This fiscal year, it spent 76% of its 2.65 lakh rupees crore budgetary outlay, focusing on capacity augmentation, electrification, new lines, and modernization. Investments have led to 136 Vande Bharat trains, 97% broad gauge electrification, and infrastructure upgrades. With Vande Bharat sleeper trains undergoing speed trials, long-distance travel will soon be revolutionized. Despite India's vast diversity, Railways is driving transformative governance, investing heavily in infrastructure, technology, and sustainability. Committed to progress, Indian Railways ensures that today's investments create a modern, connected, and inclusive India for future generations, supporting the vision of Viksit Bharat. India is set to become Apple's third largest market by 2026, following the US and China, with local iPhone sales expected to rise by 20% to 15 million units in 2024. Apple, currently the fifth largest market, is benefiting from increased financing options, festive discounts, and a shift towards premium products as consumer incomes grow. Meanwhile, Apple's market share in China has fallen significantly due to the resurgence of Huawei, dropping from 24% in late 2023 to 14% in Q3 2024. In contrast, Apple's share in India is steadily growing, with estimates predicting shipments will reach 12.5 million units in 2024, boosted by strong festive demand. Indian authorities have engaged with top spice brands Everest and MDH, conducting inspections and recommending corrective actions following bans in Singapore and Hong Kong due to ethylene oxide presence. 3 consultations emphasized industry compliance with maximum residue limits. Spices Board of India mandated ETO testing for exports to Hong Kong and Singapore, also issuing guidelines for sterilization alternatives and packaging. Violations led to product recalls. While Hong Kong prohibits ETO, Singapore allows up to 50 ppm. Retailers are limiting stocks of affected brands. The controversy has not significantly impacted overall spice sales. Following this, a Consumer Products Federation advised retailers to limit stocking of branded spices.